Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate presentation using Magic Studio in Canva. First, open your browser and go to the canva.com, and please make sure that you are logged in with your Canva account. After login, you will see options at the left corner. Within a tab Create Icon, you will see different templates. Now choose Presentations. This will open a new presentation file in the Canva editor. Please make sure to click on Design from the menu, but as you can see it has already opened Design option. Then type a short prompt and click on Submit button. Canva will automatically create multiple presentation layouts with slides and content. You can scroll down and choose the presentation style that you like and click on it. Once clicked, you can edit the text using Magic Write or replace or edit the images through the Edit option. Please make sure to use Magic Edit or Background Remover to improve visuals. And that's how you can easily generate presentations using Magic Studio in Canva. If this video helped you, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.